In this demonstration, we'll see the Phoenix AI coding agent for iOS in action using a real-world example. To start with, open your Xcode project in Phoenix and enter your prompt. For this demonstration, we'll use an empty starter project and ask Phoenix to build a complete to-do application from scratch. Now let's build and run the application in the iOS simulator and verify the result. Now, let's perform a similar task using Nano mode and see how the coding agent works in its compact, floating interface. As you can see, the app is running successfully, and the generated code has been seamlessly integrated into the project. This is Phoenix, an AI coding companion built specifically for native iOS development.